big old freak, big booty, big old tree. I'ma make him wait for the pussy. Hit it in these big old ski, ayy. Feet on the bed, I fuck him up in the head. Suck it, then look in his eyes. Then the next day I might leave him on red, ayy. Pop it, daydreaming about how I rock it, He hit my phone with a horse, so I know that me come over and ride it. I'm on the way,
What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this frontal unit. So if you are interested on seeing how I made this wig, stay tuned. So of course I'm starting off with the dome cap on the wig stand, and I'm moving the frontal an inch away from the cap and using my T-pins to pin it down. Notice for the side of the frontal, I'm moving it forward so the unit isn't too tight to the point where I can't fit it on my head properly. So a quick tip is to make sure the frontal is shaped like the letter M. If it's not shaped like the letter M, then it's probably not going to fit properly to your liking. So now I'm sewing down the frontal to the wig cap. Make sure when you sew down the frontal, you are sewing down on the wig cap and not the elastic band. I cannot stress that enough. So make sure you do not make that mistake. Also, you don't want to sew too far apart because the frontal isn't going to be secure on the cap. As you can see here, I'm just pushing the needle through the cap and pulling it through the loop. If you can't really see it, don't worry, I will be having a close-up clip to show you exactly what I'm doing shortly. So I'm finished sewing the frontal down. I'm just going to make a knot by wrapping the thread around the needle 2 to 3 times and pulling it through. Now with the bundles, I start the first bundle single weft and attach it end to end of the frontal. Before you start to sew the bundles, you want to make sure a knot is at the beginning of the track. So now you want to go under the track through the loop, if that kind of makes sense. I'm trying to make it as understandable as possible, so if you don't really understand what I'm trying to say, just pay close attention to the video. Usually I make a knot after the first 1 or 2 loops so the track isn't loose or anything. So I didn't really cut the weft throughout the video. I only cut it at this part and towards the end where I didn't need the extra hair. Okay, so right here I'm folding over the bundle again because I didn't want to cut the hair, and I'm pushing the needle through the cap and wrapping the thread 3 times to hold down the weft so it doesn't leave a bump. As you get to the top, you should already have a U part. For the last track, you should be sewing it onto the frontal part. Right here, I'm just showing you where I sewed the elastic band on the unit. I sewed it on the frontal and I sewed the back of the elastic band on the back of the wig. So if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like and comment down below. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. It's your girl J Monet, and I will see you in my next video.